Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today we're gonna get a little Halloween-like and do some fun Halloween nails using the new Zoya Leopard Spots Topper, a few pixies, and a cream. So let's get right into it. So after prepping my nails with base coat, I'm going to grab a wedge cosmetic sponge and get it all wet, and then I'm going to apply my nail polishes on it after I have gotten all the excess water out. And here I am putting on Tomoko, which is the goldeny one at the top, and then Beatrix, which is the orange one. And now I'm just going to apply it to my nail as I would do for a normal gradation. And you kind of want to do this 2 or 3 times. It just depends on how bold you want your colors. So you will just continue to do this as needed. And now it's cleanup time. After your nails are all cleaned up, you want to grab your Zoya's Leopard Spots Topper, and we're just going to apply a thin layer of that on top of our gradated nail to create the fun little leopard spots look that you can get with this new topper. Now on my index finger, I'm going to apply Beatrix, which is one of the polishes I use in the gradation. And this takes about 2 coats to reach full coverage, and it's just a super fun Halloween-like orange. Next up on my ring finger, I want to kind of calm it all down, so we're going to use 1 coat of Willa, which is a black cream from Zoya that I absolutely love. Then lastly, on my pinky finger, I'm going to apply 2 coats of Tomoko, which is just a gorgeous goldeny, sandy, shimmer, glittery pixie dust that is just amazing. On your thumb, you can do whatever you like. I actually used Tomoko again. So here is your final look at today's manicure. As you can see, it was super easy and super fun and an easy festive way to have Halloween nails. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!